Good morning, class. Today we're going to explore some new words. First, I'm going to give you some basic words that you probably already know. We will sound out the words one at a time. Then we will use the words in a sentence. All right, everybody ready? All right, let's go. We're going to use the words chat, bat, cat, and back. Does anybody know what these words have in common? That's right, they all sound alike. So let's sound out the first word together. Chat. What that sound do you hear first? That's right, the ch sound. What sound is next? Ah. Very good. And the last? T, as in terrific. Good job. Now, the ch, the ch is almost always pronounced with a ch, but sometimes it's not. Can anyone think of a time when it doesn't sound like ch? If you take my name, which is Chris, it doesn't sound like ch, does it? What does it sound like? Very good. It sounds like a k. What does a T sound like in chat? The T. Does it always sound like that? No. Can you give me an example of when a T sounds different? That's right, like in iced tea. Very good. And the A in chat, what's it sound like again? Ah. Right. What other sounds can the letter A make? A. Very good. All right, now you try it. Group 1, your word is bat. Group 2, your word is cat. Group 3, your word is back. Okay, you're going to sound out each of these words as a group. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Okay, we're back. Okay, group 1. What does your word sound like? Your word was cat. Right, cat. But does anyone know what letter it sounds like it starts like? That's correct. It sounds like a K, as in kite. It would be kind of silly if the word cat were pronounced with how the C actually sounds, right? It would be ciat. That's not how you pronounce cat, is it? No. Okay. Group 2. What does your word sound like? Bat. Right. Does it sound like your word starts with a B? No. Yeah, it's like a bee, like a little insect that makes honey, right? It sounds more like what? Ba. Ba. Kind of like a sheep, right? Ba. Good. Finally, group 3. Now, this one might be a little bit more difficult, so everybody needs to pay close attention, okay? What does your word sound like? Right. Back. But it sounds kind of like back, right? Kind of like that sheep again. Back. Is there a letter that you don't hear in this word? Very good. The C. The C is silent. That can get pretty confusing, but for now, we're not going to worry about it too much. Okay, now I'm going to give you a group activity. I'm giving you each a piece of paper with a little 3 boxes on it, just like this. Okay? Everybody got that? Great. All right. So, what you're going to do with these boxes I want you to sound out your word again and break the word out into how it sounds or the sound it makes. I will show you the first one. The first one is, head upside down. First one is chat. Okay. First sound you hear is ch, so you put it in the first box. A in the second, and T, the T, in the third. Okay? Each group do their own word, and we'll meet back in about 5 minutes. All right, great. We're back. Let's see how everyone did. Can one person from each group go up to the board and fill in your boxes? All right, let's see what we've got now. We did chat together. Then we got the bat. B-A-T. Good. Second group had cat. So k-a-t. And then the last group did really good. This was a hard one. It had b-a and k. The C is silent, remember. All right. Last task. I want you as a whole group, the whole class, come up with one sentence using all 4 words. Okay? Let's see what you come up with. Okay, let's see what you came up with. The cat went back to chat with the bat. Very good sentence. I can imagine what the cat and the bat had to talk about. That was very good. All right, so let's summarize what we did today. Okay? I gave you 4 words and asked you to sound them out. We found that some words do not sound the same or how we expect them to sound as they're spelled out. We learned that sometimes a C can sound like a K, as in cat. We learned sometimes when the letters are paired together, they make one sound like in chat, the ch, but also sound different, like in Chris. Finally, we were able to put together a sentence as a group using all 4 words. You guys did a great job today. Give yourself a round of applause. Good job. Okay, let's move on to the next thing.